Perpay is a buy now pay later service offering interest-free payments through paycheck deductions. Its Trustpilot page reveals mixed experiences. Positive reviews highlight its easy-to-use platform and helpful customer service, especially for building credit while managing purchases. However, critical reviews frequently mention delayed shipping, high product prices, and difficulties getting refunds or resolving disputes. On Reddit, many users caution against purchasing high-demand items like the PS5 through Perpay. Multiple threads describe frustrating delays, unclear communication, and even suspicions of potential scams. Some buyers eventually received their orders, while others claimed that they were left without refunds. Overall, it can be a convenient way credit building option for smaller purchases if you're patient and aware of its limitations. However, for big ticket items, its reliability seems uncertain based on user feedback.